Hello students. So today we will continue lesson 6 CSS cascading style sheet. Now today we'll discuss the new topic outline property. So this outline property in CSS facilitates to draw an extra border around the element of a web page. So outlining helps in enhancing the look of an element and makes it more distinct or different from the other. Following are the values related to the different types of the outline properties. So you can use the value initial, set the property to its default value. You can use the value outline style, specify the styles of an outline, or maybe that the ridge, groove that you can use. Outline width specifies the width of an outline. Outline color it specifies the color that you see, use for an outline. Inherit the property from its parent element. Now see the outline style. What are the different outline styles are there? So outline style property specifies the style of the outline. It can have the following values: dotted. It applies a dotted outline around the element. Dashed value. It applies a dashed outline around an element. Solid. It applies a solid outline around an element. Or double. It applies a double outline around an element. So group property. It applies a solid outline around an element as though it is carved into the page ridge. Inset it applies an outline to an element that makes the box look like it is embedded in the page. Outside it applies an outline in a way that makes an element look like it is embossed. None it applies no outline. Hidden it applies a hidden outline. Next property is the outline color. So this outline color property sets the outline color for an outline. Always set the outline style of the element before specifying any color for its outline. So the value you can use for the color name. See here for the paragraph border color cyan. So outline width also you can set on the place of border color you can add here outline color cyan. Outline width. The outline width property sets the width of an outline. The values used with this property are thin, thick, medium, length, and inherit. Now syntax you can see outline width medium. Also you can use outline width colon thin. Now you can see the different outline. You can see this code HTML head open title outline property style type equals to text CSS. Now see the body. The rules written for the body of the web page background color set light yellow and the color of the text is black. So as you can see the background color is light yellow and the text color is black. For the paragraph rules is written font family Lucida handwriting as you can see and font size 20 pixel. Style clues. Now for the another paragraph inline style is written outline style dash. You can see outline style dash, outline color green, outline color is set green, outline with thick, that is the green color and thick outline. Negative mind never produces positive results, that is the paragraph. The second paragraph style is also inline, outline style dotted as you can see, outline color blue and outline with thick. Paragraph written better to be melted in fillings than to be frozen in differences. Now see the third paragraph, inline style rules written, outline style solid. This outline is the solid outline and outline color red. Outline with thick. Next paragraph you can see that the paragraph style goes to outline style rich. You can see this is the rich outline style. Color yellow, outline with thick. Next you can see the paragraph outline style double and it written in life. See this is the outline style double line you can see in it. Next paragraph style outline site inset. In that is written a success. So this is the outline inset. Next paragraph outline style outset. You can see the outset any knowledge. This is the parallel outline style outset. Next the paragraph outline style groove. You can see always be with this is a groove. Body close HTML close. So this is all for the today students. In the next class we will discuss the remaining topics. So those who have not submitted the report file, please submit it tomorrow. After tomorrow it will not be accepted. So thank you for your kind attention.